Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download and install the Callisto protocol game in the Epic Games. And this game is free now. So open Epic Games launcher and then in the search store, search for the Callisto protocol. And then click on this base game, the Callisto protocol. And here you can see this get button. And this game is completely free and the sales will end on 12/25/2025. So the game sales will end on 25th December. So click on this get button. Please wait, your order is loading. And then click on place order. And then you will see this view in library option. So click on this view in library option and then you will see the Callisto protocol game has been added to your library. So click on this install button, then again click on install button, click yes to allow, and then you can see the Callisto protocol game is getting installed on my PC. You can also click on this arrow icon, which is a download icon, and here you can see the Callisto protocol game is getting installed on my PC. So by following these steps, you can easily install the Callisto protocol game on your PC for free in Epic Games launcher. The free sales ends on 25th December 2025. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.